Very good afternoon, my dear student. So today I'm going to discuss about the database query and using the query how we can do the different pattern of work. Now, database query, here you can see this particular area. What we have an inventory. Okay, we do have an inventory. Inventory means inventory where we can store the price of the particular manufactured thing, product, and all this thing. We have an inventory. We have a customer. A customer, what the inventory has? Inventory has the store name, price, then model, then year of manufacturing, then fuel type, car, all these things, isn't it? So what they have: car id, car name, price, model, year of manufacturing, fuel type, inventory. Now what we have, the sale. In the sale, invoice number, car id, customer id, sales data, payment mode, employee id, and sale person. So what you can see, that this the data, this the primary key. This is the primary key has been used here as a foreign key, number one. Okay, next we have customer. So customer id is a primary key. This one is the primary key. Okay, this one is a primary key. So this primary key has been used here as a foreign key. Here customer id, customer name, address, phone number. Next what we have, employee id. Employee id, same case for the employee id. This is a primary key and it come here used as a what, foreign key. So three foreign keys a table have and one more his own key, that is an invoice number. Okay, so these are the things what we can find a table will going to have, and based on this what they are having, in the sale we have invoice number, card id, customer id, sales data, payment mode, employee id, and sale price. Customer, you will going to find customer id, customer name, customer address, phone number, email. Employee id, employee table, employee id, employee name, date of birth, DOB means date of birth, DOJ means date of joining, designation, and salary. So this is how you can find it. You can segregate the different table. Now here you see select asterisk from employee. That means what are the data in the employee table? There are 8 data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those the 8 data are there in this particular table. Next what we have, the customer table. What we have, customer ID, customer name, customer address, phone number, and email address. So what I have inserted there, those the values what I have inserted there. Okay, so C is 0001, 0002, 0003, 0004. Here, next what we can find that we have another table, that is a sale table. So how many data are there? There is 4 data are there in this particular area. Now we have a sale table. There is invoice, then car ID, then customer ID, sale date, payment mode, employee ID, sale price. Now you can see that car ID is here. This one is your car ID. Then what, customer, from the customer table, customer ID is there. This is also a foreign key. Okay, primary key of the another table. When it comes to the another table, it will become a foreign key. Similarly, we find it there is what, the employee ID. Those who are employee, their ID has been given. So as the employee's ID has been given, this is also what, this is also a foreign key for this particular table. Okay. So this is the thing what we find it, the employee. That means we have an employee. There are 7 rows are affected for it. That means 7 values we have given for it. So those the 7 values are there. That means you what I am talking about, employee ID. Primary key of this table became an what, became the foreign key of another table. Okay. Employee name, date of birth, date of joining, designation, and salary. So based on this thing, they has been inserted. So this how we can find it. The thing will be inserted and you can insert the value on it. Now when you are doing it, you see it, we can make the different type of numerical functions. Okay, which is very important. Numerical functions. That means what is the numerical functions, like power, POW, power of, isn't it? Power means what? There is power of. That means what? Suppose 2 to the power of 2. What is the value? 2 twice 2 into 2 means 4. Then 3 to the value of 4. 3 to the value of 4. So what will be the value? 3 will come for 4 times 3. Okay. Then you will write the value. What? 3 3 are 9. 9 3 are then 27. 27 3 are. Is it? So this will be the value of it. So what we find that we are using that like power. What is the power? Power xy. That means what? X and y is there. Calculate x to the power y. What we are very familiar with. So select power 2 comma 3, that means 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Round n8, n means the particular number and d means what? The decimal point. So n8, what we can find it that this particular n8 we will going to do the particular way. Okay. So in this particular way we can find it, the thing can be executed. Clear? So then mod means what? You will going to have a particular value. Based on this value, what you can do, you can return the particular values figure. The mod 21, see here what it has given, mod 21 comma 2, 21 comma 2 is mod figure, output is 1. Okay, so this is what modulus means, the remainder will going to come here. So this is how we can see it. See here, EMI has been calculated based on the 100,000 multiple for it. What we can find it that we want a car ID. Based on that we are calculating a GST, isn't it? Any type pattern of price, like suppose based on the car we are calculating the GST. Okay, so if you are calculating a GST in this way, what will happen? 12% GST if it has been given, then you can see it that those are the values what are there, and we can implement those values in a very different ways. That means, see, round of what? Select what I have written. Select round 12 divided by 100 into price, comma 1. That means this is the mod work is been done with and round. That means round of till to the one figure. What is there at the back, don't take that, only round off till to the one figure. So the particular person who is doing it, okay, he has also done it till to the one figure, and see all the things, all the values comes under till to the one figure here. Clear? So this is what your numerical function will going to work on it. So as I have discussed about the numerical function, now you say the inventory. So what I have given it, alter table. See here, alter table inventory at then final price numeric 10 comma 1. That means this was not there. Then when the final price is entered at the final price of time, see here that what will be the number at before, but number at the back should be all what? Ready. That means there should be the thing should be arranged in such a way that they can be work on it. So next one you can see update inventory, set final price, isn't it? Price plus round, that means price asterisk 12 into 100 comma 1. So that query is okay. Why? Because you have followed a right process. So if you follow a right process, obviously your query will be okay and you can find it, the thing will going to generate properly. Okay, the thing will going to generate properly. So there you can find it, calculate the display of an amount, those who has paid in the month with a multiple of 100, which is to be calculated after dividing the final price of the car into a 10 installment. So after dividing this particular amount, okay, then we have to find out the remaining amount what is there and how those remaining amount can be utilized. That means this is the thing what is our viewpoint. So what we have done, see here, select car ID final price comma round, then inside that I have open a bracket, then again one bracket, then final price mod final price comma how much, 10,000, then all the bracket will close, then divided by 10 comma 0, that means from 0th position EMI. Okay, EMI will be that particular thing, and then what, mod final price, about the remaining heading will be remaining amount. So this way you can give the heading also. So this is how you can work on it. This is how you can find it the thing is working. Okay, so this is the thing what we can see. This is the way we can find this particular thing are working. Next, what ordered by clause? Ordered by clause, as I have said it, ordered by clause means a table either access or denied in the inside the room only. Okay, so inside that particular section, inside that particular area only you can do it. So I have said here that inside is, if you are thinking about a room, that inside one room you can do it. So that is what we can find it. The table will be arranged in ascending order or descending order. So see here, one room has been created for it. Column name, then ascending, descending, column 2 name, ascending, descending. So that is what we can find it, that based on this particular thought we can work on this. So see here I have used one of the order by clause, that select asterisk from the student. So all the thing will be there. After that, what I have done, select asterisk from the student, order by what, 15. Okay, so order by that particular clause, we can see it that the thing will going to work. How we want to work it, that particular way, the thing will going to work. So see here another order by clause, what I have used, select asterisk from student, order by class in descending order. That means I have specified here, do the thing in a descending order. So based on the class, the arrangement has been done in descending order. So we and I cannot do anything. What the instruction we are giving to the machine, that type of instruction the machine will listen. Okay, we can give in ascending order also. If you don't write anything in place of ascending order, it will be ascending order. So thank you students. Today I am ending up my today's session here. Thank you all.